So in my previous video, we designed 5 letters. Let's continue. To make things easier, I'm gonna select all of my lowercase letters and apply the same width as the letter O. If you double click all selected glyphs, it's gonna turn into text and we can start editing. For letter N, we can just copy letter O and adjust its left side. For letter C, let's use letter O as our base. Apply 24-point stroke to the right side and expand outline. Make some adjustments and apply Boolean operations. I can use the resultant letter C as the base for my letter E. As always, you can just copy letter C here, or you can add as a component and then decompose it. As for the letter A, let's just use our letter E. Add it as component. I will not decompose it and make just some rotations. For now, it's looking okay, but in the future, I might change it. I'm using letter B to make letter H. I will use letter B to make letter I, just delete the right part and adjust the top part. Let's not forget to adjust side bearings. And I'm using letter I to make letter J. In my case, if you remove the lower part of letter C, I think it's going to look like letter R. I'm using letter O to make letter U. And I think there is an interesting solution to make a letter V. Let's use letter Q to make letter G. Now letter G usually has 2 versions, single story and double story. For that, let's duplicate it and rename it to SS01. SS stands for stylistic sets. You can have up to 20 sets. Stylistic sets is an open type feature, so to see that in action, let's go to our font info, switch to features, and update the open type features. Glyphs will automatically identify the SS01 extension and add necessary code automatically. And to draw this letter G, I probably need to add guides. So I feel like I will need these guides a lot, so I will turn them into global. So while I'm drawing letter G, there is such a thing as smart components. Maybe I could probably use it here, but I'm a fan of copy-paste, so I'm gonna do it the traditional way. You can test it out. Let's type something and then select your stylistic set. Let's use B stem to make letter L. Alternative G can turn into letter Y. And since we have that sharp letter V, letter Y will need another alternative. Let's duplicate it and rename it to SS02. You can update features and see if SS02 code has been added. If I will comment on every letter, it's going to take a lot of time, so let's just fast forward and see the results. That's it for this video. In the next part, we will design all capital letters. Thanks for watching.